Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So going up to Michigan to get that exhaust for the CB. Interesting note. The other day I went to go hop on it and take it over to Site B, and we got it started. I had all my gear on. I was about to put my helmet on, and I said to Trevor, "Hey, did you hear the horn on this thing? It sounds like a car." And I pushed the horn button, and the whole bike just shut off. Yeah, the electrical system isn't in great shape. So we rented a trailer yesterday and brought it over to the other location, and now we're about to head up to Michigan to grab this exhaust. This guy said, "Hey, you wanna buy another CB350F?" And now that I'm thinking about it, maybe. So we might be making another trip back to Michigan to pick up a whole nother bike. I don't know. We got to see what it is and what it looks like. I certainly can't afford it now, but if it's cheap, then and it's not a total pile of garbage, then maybe we'll snag it, because I'd like one. And I don't know if it's just me, I'm in an alternate reality or something, but my wife was like, "Oh, you should get it." I'm like, what's the joke here? So I don't really know what's going on with that, but I was encouraged to buy one. So maybe keep me out of her hair. I don't know, but we'll grab some clips along the way. We're gonna take the shaker. Great gas mileage. So we're gonna stop at the storage space. We're gonna try to unload whatever's in my trunk, and my tools and stuff, and hopefully I have room. Be rolling a couple deep, so we'll see you along the way, and this should be an interesting video. I'm hoping maybe the guy will let me see it while we're there, and maybe film. I don't know, you never know. So we'll see you later. All right, easy. Hey everybody, so we made it into Michigan. You can see we're at exit 1, pure Michigan. So we're making some good time. Shaker's running good on the highway, getting some pretty good gas mileage. So we'll be there in a little while. So stay tuned, and maybe we'll see you when we get there. All right, easy. Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So we were able to pick up the exhaust from Michigan. This is going to be part of that video. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to start digging into the wiring harness. We charged the battery, so hopefully that's all right. And then we're going to go from there. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next episode, all right? Easy.